Hi everybody, in this tutorial I want to show you how to make this countdown. This countdown is 30 seconds and I use their different elements. You can see their bump, and on the end of this countdown you can see explosion of that bump. For this I use Canva software, so if you go to Canva, yeah, here it is, yeah. So here is Canva, you click on video, yes, here, mobile video, yeah, you have it here. And now on the bottom, you can see their video, add video, and here on the top is search bar, here. I use word timer, and here is selection of videos you can choose from. So I was looking for something. Here is something blue. Yeah, it looks fine. Yeah. So now we need adjust size. Yeah, a little bit centered. Yeah, looks fine to me. So now look at the bottom where is color and click blue. Yeah, looks fine. So now when we done this, we need some graphic. So again, yeah, here on the bottom of screen you can see elements, click on it, and on the top is search bar. So we're gonna use some, yeah, here we're gonna use some bomb animation. Yeah, sounds good. So I found this one. This one looks pretty cool for this purpose. Yeah, wow, that's big. So reposition, put it on its place. Yeah, looks fine. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so now go on the end, look on the bottom of screen, and there is sign plus. Can you see it? Yeah, here, sign plus, yeah. Now we have another part of video on the bottom color. We're gonna change color for the black. Yeah, here it is. Well, now again, look at the bottom elements, and we choose this one, animation. Here it is. We just need to put it on its place. Yeah, this is fine. I'm okay with that. So now we have to shorten that video because it's too long here. So if you hit that arrow and drag it, you can shorten that video. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And now we're just gonna check how it looks like all overall. So here we go. In another video, I'm gonna show you how to add sound to it. I'm not using Canva sounds because I had a couple times problem when I upload it to YouTube. So that's why I using a different software for it, and I'm gonna show it to you how to do it in second part. Have a nice day.